Your portfolio is your ticket to landing a remote role in 2025. The harsh truth is that over 90% of beginners do not even get interviews because their portfolio sucks. If you're a beginner, do not worry. I'm here to tell you that you can create a high converting portfolio. I'm going to walk you through the process, the kind of portfolio that draws clients in, the kind of portfolio that grants you interviews. Even if you have zero experience, yes, it's possible. And I say this because I have worked with a lady who just started working remotely in 2024, and today she has worked with different clients in different countries. Yeah. Enough about that. Let's get right into the tea of this video. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you what you should include in your portfolio, how to structure it, how to make it compelling, how to put in such a way that the client will feel like they are missing out if they don't hire you. This video is for beginners who have little to no experience. So if you're an OG, please click out now. Yeah, I said it. Okay, just keep watching. But yeah, please send it to your beginner friends because they are going to love you for it. Before we dive into how to create this compelling portfolio, we have to understand why a portfolio is important. You can always skip to that part. You can use the timestamps below, but I feel like it's important you understand why your portfolio matters because there are common mistakes beginners make when creating a portfolio, and I'm going to trash it out in this section. Okay, so first things first, why does your portfolio matter? What is a portfolio? What is not a portfolio? I see a lot of beginners make this mistake of overemphasizing their academic background in their portfolio, and I'm like, honey, let me tell you for a fact, most clients just want to know that you are capable of solving their problems, especially if you are delivering a skill, if you are offering some kind of skill or service. They just want to know that you are capable of doing what you said you can do. They just want to see proof of work. They want to see your results. They don't want to know where you schooled. See, your academic background is secondary. What's primary are your skills. And I say this because I've been on the hiring end, and I can say for a fact, I don't even go through the whole academic background and what you do and what you do not do. I just go straight to your work. I want to see if you can do what you say you can do. See, point blank, period. If you understand the skill you are selling, if you understand the service you are offering, then you will understand what exactly is most important to your clients. Let's take, for example, if you are a video editor, trust me, they don't want to know if you have a certification from Adobe or CapCut. I mean, they don't offer certifications, but I'm just saying, no one really cares. Everyone wants to see the video you've edited. How is your editing style? Are you creative? Are you able to color grade videos? Are you able to do like brilliant things with your videos? No one cares about whatever certifications you have or do not have. You get what I mean? Because these days, people just go and like insert a lot of certifications on their portfolio, and that in itself is not bad. The issue is that most beginners place a lot of emphasis on that, and they do not actually show proof of work. And if you're a beginner, you're like, okay, I'm a beginner. How exactly am I supposed to show something? I haven't worked with anyone. Calm down, honey. I got you. I'm going to reveal what you can do that will change the game for you in 2025. So make sure you watch till the end. So now we understand what a portfolio is and is not. Let's get right into creating our portfolio. So step one, we are going to pick a niche. I have to tell you the truth. If no one is going to tell you, I will tell you for free. You cannot include every single thing you do in one portfolio. It's okay to have two portfolios. Hey, I have two portfolios. I actually do. You can't always pose as a jack of all trades, even if you are. So the issue is that a lot of beginners try to put everything in one portfolio. So let's say you've done some video editing work in the past, some writing work, some this work, some that work. You just cramp everything and put into one portfolio. And then your portfolio just look really watered down. It's more like you are here and there and literally nowhere. So if you can, create portfolios that are tailored to specific niches, so you stand a greater chance of landing that role when you apply for it. I wish I knew this much earlier on in my freelancing journey, but again, these are some of the things you have to learn through experience and share it with you so you do not have to experience the same thing. Step two, and this is a step you've all been waiting for, is create a sample project. I know you're a beginner, I know you have no experience, but you're not going to pose as one. You're not going to pose as someone that has zero experience and is just looking for help. No, you're going to come from a place of confidence. And this is the part where most beginners get it wrong. They think they have to work with a client before they can showcase some experience on their portfolio. No, honey, you do not have to work with anybody. You can create something for yourself. You can create something from nothing. Let me give you an example. If you're into copywriting and you want to become a freelance copywriter, you can write a sales page. You can write an email copy for the product you love. You can actually do something. If you wish to become a social media manager, manage your page. Yeah, I said it. Manage your page, grow your page, do stuff for your page and include that in your portfolio. Or if you really don't want to work on your page, you can reach out to some friends, some business owners that you know. Okay, I would like to work with you for a couple of months. I'd like to assist you with your work. There's something you can do instead of just sitting back. I guarantee you there is something you can do that will move the needle for you. And you don't have to just sit back and wait and hope that a job falls on your laps. The key here is to make it look real. Make it look professional. Don't make it sloppy. I know that it's not client's work, but don't make it sloppy. Give it your best. Give it your 110%. And I must say this, you don't need to work on like 10 different projects just to make your portfolio look busy. No. 2 to 3 is enough, honestly. If you're a beginner, 2 to 3. Anything anybody else is looking for, I don't know. I actually created a video on how I landed my first freelance job. Yeah, on this channel. I'll try to link the video somewhere, but you should go watch it. I hope it inspires you. I mean, at that point, I knew nothing. I had no experience, but I did something. And that's actually what helped me land that role. So if you're a beginner, don't worry. There is a proven blueprint that you can follow, and that is exactly what I'm sharing with you in this video. Step 3 would be to include some testimonials. I know, you're a beginner. Where am I supposed to get testimonials from? If you're going to work with someone, you're going to tell the person, okay, I'm doing this work for you for free. Nothing. But all I need is your honest review after I've delivered, okay? I need you to share with me some of the things you enjoyed while working with me. You know, there's a way to actually get reviews from people. Some people just say, write a review. No. You have to go the extra mile. Tell the person, can you please share some things you enjoyed while working with me? That's a more strategic way of asking for a review. If you sincerely feel like, okay, there's really nobody I can get a review from, there's no one I can help with like free work and then they give me a review in exchange, fine. Just use your sample projects. Trust me, sometimes all they just need to see, especially if you are a beginner and you are applying for an entry-level position, all the client just needs to see is, this person is capable of delivering what they say they can deliver. I haven't seen any reviews, but they are capable. You can even include this in your proposal that although it may seem like you're a beginner, like you can persuade the person so that even though you may not have all the experience, that you are still confident that you are a fast learner, that you are confident in your abilities to like pick up new skills within little to no time. That's how you put your words together. Your clients will be convinced that even if you are a beginner, you are smart. They will see it in your words that this person is smart and they will hire you. So by no means should you allow things like testimonials limit you. Everyone started from somewhere. And even the clients I worked with that time didn't really look out for a testimonial. All they just wanted to see was my sample projects. So give yourself that opportunity. If you work in 9 to 5 and you're looking to transition into remote working in 2025, then I have good news for you. I made a whole video on how I transitioned from my 9 to 5 to remote work. I shared the step-by-step process I took, the mindset I had to adopt, some of the things I had to do to make it possible. So if you're on that path like myself, just click on the link below. I'm going to attach the video in the description and you can go watch that video after you've watched this, of course. So now we are done with all of that. Step 4 is you're going to present it beautifully and professionally. Make sure it's clean. Make sure it's appealing. Make sure it's professional. Make sure it's mobile friendly. Most times, clients are checking your portfolio on their mobile phones. So you want it to appear in such a way that it's beautiful, even in a mobile phone. And there's so many apps you can use to create an appealing portfolio. You can use Canva. Canva is free. You can use Notion. You can use Google Sites. depending on what you do, you just find the perfect platform that helps you communicate your value, that helps you present your work in the best possible way. If you're not sure of what to use, just go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, what tools should I use to create my portfolio as a copywriter, as a video editor? There is Behance, like there's so many tools online, honey. You can make your portfolio beautiful and professional looking. By the time they see it, this client will know that this one is organized. This person is that person. See, a lot of people don't put a lot of effort in their portfolios. Let me tell you for free. The portfolios I've seen, like some of them are not like professionally created. It's more like a haphazard job. So if you can put in the work in your portfolio, trust me, you have done more than what 80% would do. If you've gone through these steps, I see no reason why you wouldn't have a compelling portfolio at the end of this. A portfolio that brings the clients in, a portfolio that grants you the interviews, and a portfolio that helps you land the roles that you truly desire in 2025. So now you're done watching this video, do not just scroll away. Go and implement, go and put all I have said to work. This is what helped me, and I know it can help you. It has helped other people that have come to me in the past. So it can help you. So don't just watch this video. Go and implement all that has been said in this video. And I created another video on my channel on how to use ChatGPT to set and smash goals in 2025. You can go check it out. It's somewhere on this channel. But until then, see you.